All right, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you the blueprint on how to make $10,000 a month plus using funded accounts with trading. So it's a very simple process. I'm going to break it down and streamline it all for you guys now. So there's going to be three levels to your trading journey currently. The first level, level one, is going to be $0. This is where you're a beginner trader or you're not yet consistently profitable. When you're at this level, you are not going to be using a funded account because you are just going to be literally blowing money. Why would you want to blow money when you can invest that later on into education or buying larger funded accounts? So at this level, you're going to want to backtest rigorously, find a consistent strategy, and you could do this with using trading journals. A good one is TradeZella. I could link it in the description below. And all you do is it tells you all of your trade analytics. It will tell you your win rate, your average risk to reward ratio. So my win rate is very high and I have a solid risk to reward ratio. So I finally moved out of level one, and that brings you to level two. So till you consistently find a profitable strategy that you're practicing on a demo account where you're actually profiting, now it is worth investing into a small funded account challenge. This is going to bring you to level two. So you're profitable on demo. Now it's time to start with a small funded account. The reason you don't go to the largest funded account in the beginning is because emotions will start to play a role. Emotions, in my opinion, are still different than a full live account when you're trading with a funded account. But with a funded account, you invested money into your trading journey. So you're not on demo anymore. There's real money on the line, and emotions do play a huge role when it comes to trading. That's why. So now you have the strategy locked in place. Now you're going to start with the smallest or one of the smallest account challenges with a funded account. What you're going to do with this, you're going to treat it as your demo account. You're going to lock in your emotions. You're not going to over trade. So focus on the high quality setups, okay? Focus on A+ setups only. This should be what you're doing anyways, but you want to take less trades with a funded account because all it takes is a couple, 1, 2, 3 bad trades to fully affect your psychology with the funded accounts. In my opinion, the very beginning of the funded account is the most crucial part. If you could if you could just be patient, wait for that A+ setup, all your confluences align, then that is where you could enter with a higher position size and hit that high probability setup in the beginning. Because not only will that increase your chances of passing that funded, it allows you and eases your emotions when it comes to trading. Now you can lower your position size and aim for 1, 2 more A+ setups where you don't have to worry about making back your losses from the beginning. It's a lot harder to overcome the initial drawdown than to profit in the beginning and make small wins to reach the funded account. So that is my suggestion and tips for you guys. And at level two, you should be pulling in around at least $1,000 to about $3,000 per month. All right. So this is the level two area. And what I recommend, this is a very important part, take these profits and reinvest it back into yourself. You're still at level two. There's always things to learn in trading. It took me 4 years to get where I am today, where I have $2,000, $3,000 days. And this is with a live account, so I'll get to that. But with level two, you want to reinvest all your payouts with your funded prop firms. So after you get a payout, I would keep obviously a good portion. But because we started with a small account, you're going to replicate the exact same process, but now you're going to buy the higher account size challenge. And so it's a snowball effect. What you could do as well is use a copy trader for your funded accounts. Same thing, or just invest in a larger account size. So after you do that, And after you are making over 5,000 a month, this puts you at level 3. So at level 3, you're now consistently making 5K to 10K per month. Consistently. So when you're at this stage, this is where you have mastered your strategy, you have mastered your emotions, and you have mastered risk management. These are 3 crucial things when it comes to trading. It's not just about strategy. Emotion, psychology, risk management plays a huge role, which is stuff I help teach. So when you're consistently making 5 to 10K per month, what's next? The honest truth I recommend, guys, is when you're consistently making these months and you request these size payouts, my recommendation is to actually open a live account afterwards. I would take some of these profits and I would invest that into growing the capital to do your own live account. The reason is because if you're at this level, some emotions are already in play. You proved yourself. Your strategy is a winning strategy. You're now consistent. You've mastered psychology and risk management. The advantages are obvious with a live account. You don't have to pay for account challenges and worry about entering drawdown or failing them. The most important thing, in my opinion, is how if your profit target is $5,000, that means you've hit those winning trades on the funded account challenges. You're missing out on all of that money on a real live account. If you had a live account and you started taking those exact same trades, you would realize those profit gains. So you're leaving a lot of money on the table with a live account. And I would take the profit that you're consistently making, simply invest it into a live account to where you can make decent profit. So if you've made it to level 3, congratulations. You've put in the work. You've invested in yourself, invested in education, and finally got to the level of freedom. If you guys are still not at level 3 yet, or even if you are at level 3 and want to expand your knowledge, which in trading is always important, I have a VIP Discord community where I live trade every single day. I have a private VIP channel for serious traders where you can network, share ideas, and I also do live weekly calls breaking down the key levels and question and answers. But most importantly, I also have educational videos where I show my strategy and how you could master psychology, risk management, and all the important aspects when it comes to trading. Let's take a look at one of the trades I took this week that was an A+ setup in the VIP team. This was during our live trading call, and it was with US 30, which if you're trading futures, it's just the Dow Jones index. I had a very strong area of interest level at about 45,020 level. What I noticed was through some of the confluences I teach within VIP and Elite VIP played out perfectly. We had a break of this key level. We had a retest, and we got in after the confirmation of the rejection of the retest of a crucial area. And we placed our stop loss at the perfect level and our take profit literally at the perfect level for a clean, pretty much 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So this was an A+ setup through the other confluences that VIP learns about. It's too complicated to kind of break it down for this video, but that is an example of the one trade we took that is an A+ setup rather than over trading. Because if you overtrade, guys, you will give back your money to the markets. That is a gambler's mindset. We want to be traders, not gamblers. We want to take lower, high probability setups. That is how you win long term. The last thing I want to mention, which is important, guys, is yes, you see me and other people hitting multiple $1,000 days. You have to understand, again, it took 4 years to be able to do this. So wherever you are with your journey, remember, you always can learn more. You could always surround yourself with more traders. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like, subscribe. I'm going to have banger content coming. I'm going to be posting live trades, trade recaps, day in the lives. I have a bunch of content coming, so you definitely want to subscribe, like, and comment below what else you'd like to see. If you want to see some more live trades, let me know. See you guys in the next video.